Kids World.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Kids World. Today, we are delving into the fundamental aspects of English grammar, the 12 tenses. Whether you're a language learner or someone looking to brush up on grammar, this series is tailored for you. We'll be covering the simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous tenses, each with its unique forms. To make things practical, I've prepared 5 examples for each category. So, without further delay, let's get started on this grammatical journey. English has 12 tenses, which are divided into 4 main categories: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. All tenses have different forms for affirmative, negative, and interrogative statements. Here are the 12 tenses in English grammar. Simple tenses: simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. These 3 fundamental tenses provide a straightforward way to express actions in various time frames. We'll start with the simple present tense, a versatile tense used to describe habits, general truths, and everyday activities. Simple present tense. The simple present tense paints a picture of routine and regularity. We use it to describe habits, things that happen regularly, general truths, and everyday activities. It's the go-to tense when we want to express actions that are true in the present. Let's take a look at some examples. Affirmative: I play soccer every Saturday. Negative: I do not play soccer on any day other than Saturday. Interrogative: do I play soccer every day of the week? I eat dinner at 7 p.m. every day. She works as a teacher at the local school. They live in New York City. He usually takes the bus to work. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Simple past tense. The simple past tense takes us back in time, describing completed actions or events. It's the go-to tense for narrating stories or talking about finished experiences. Let's explore. Affirmative: we visited Paris last summer. Negative: we did not visit Paris last summer. Interrogative: did we visit Paris last summer? We enjoyed the beach last weekend. She graduated from college 2 years ago. They watched a movie yesterday. He traveled to Japan in 2019. The concert ended at midnight. Simple future tense. Switching gears to the future, the simple future tense allows us to express actions yet to happen. It's straightforward and often used for predictions or planned activities. Let's explore. Affirmative: I will start my new job next month. Negative: I will not start my new job next month. Interrogative: will I start my new job next month? Tomorrow I will visit my grandparents. She will finish her project by Friday. We will have a picnic in the park on Sunday. The train will depart at 3 p.m. In a few months, we will travel to Europe for vacation. As we wrap up part 1 of our grammar series, we've covered the basics, simple tenses. We talked about how they help express actions in the present, past, and future in an easy way. But, hold on, there's more to come. In our next videos, we'll dive into the cool stuff. Continuous, perfect, and all that jazz. It's like upgrading your verb game. If you got the hang of this series, great. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more grammar fun.